Welcome back to Crypto Learning Community. I've got another update to last night's video where we really talked about a lot, and I'm going to build off of that. So we're going to go over what we were looking for and how things have developed from then, and how we will be going forward with looking for trades. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. If you haven't checked out my last video, yesterday's video, I really do recommend you check it out. There's a lot of good stuff in there. But the main thing we're going to be taking a look at is daily time frame. Is we're potentially getting a bullish divergence. We don't have the green dot just yet, but momentum wave is curving up nicely. Price actions coming up nicely. And Bookmap is starting to look a little better too. Yeah, let's go ahead and go over what I'm seeing on Bookmap. So for instance, we have shorts. The delta is negative. There's more shorts to be wrecked. We have the limit order liquidity is looking better. Actually, it's kind of changed up from right before I was going to make this video, but we had a lot of orders at 97, 98, and so forth. What you're seeing not so highlighted now was highlighted, which is indication that the algorithm wants to go and attack that. One thing I really like was well, I'll wait for that. We'll also look at the liquidations. So on the smaller fractal, we've primed some liquidity around that 94,500 level, which falls in about here to 94,750. You can see it slightly here as well. And if we move up the fractal onto this one, we can see that liquidity is more primed above us than it is below us. So I would expect us to rotate down, grab this 94,500 limit liquidity as well as liquidation liquidity before rotating back up and attacking this. That will generate liquidity below and above and allow an attack on that level while engineering this level, which ties in with this limit order liquidity. What I'm saying is we're going to potentially go down 94.5 before we go up towards 101. From there, we'll see, are we going to start attacking 108,000, or are we going to rotate down to 91.5? Let's go ahead and get back to the data and the charts. We didn't quite take this protected high yet, which I'm a little annoyed because I did have a scalp short from there, and on Blowfin we just barely missed it. So yes, I've closed out my longs, and I had a short literally right there, and it front ran it by $1 kind of thing. So I've already deleted that order because Bookmap's changed up, but it would have been a nice scalp, right? Grab my order, come down, take profit, stop loss entry. For now, I'm laddering in off of the limit order and confluences for these levels. I've talked about this kind of strategy on yesterday's video, but for the most part, we have reasons to take these trades. Strongest is right here, is looking for a reversal pattern. That's the best bet. So we have an order block here. We might come down to that. But you see how this order block lines up with the Bookmap where it was 94,500. So this is really the hot spot right here. Now, this is a bit of assumption trading, but this is what we're looking for too, right? That's how you trade. So you assume like, okay, this is what I'm looking for. These are the setups. These are the levels, and then you see how the price action develops there. So with that being said, here is the new setup right here, almost a 7-to-1. Front run 94,500. I highly recommend that, by at least 100. So as you see here, my logic is if we lose this low, we're gonna probably come to here. So why risk? Excuse me, right? Risk that extra and write it up, right? Let's see, 97. Your first target's gonna be this liquidity in here. Might shave some here. Might definitely shave some here. Golden Pock, very important high. And then a major TP of the 101,000 in the supply zone. This high here. Other than that, there's really nothing else to be said. That's the trade. I wanted to, if you stayed in this long, you get a hidden gem. Forgot to even mention it, so surprise, right? Arweave finally came, took that low, hit that support level, and man, made some very pretty bullish divergences on the 4-hour time frame. We have price action getting lower, momentum waves were coming up, and money flows coming up, giving us 4-hour bullish divergences. So that was nice. I bought that dip, and like I told y'all in that altcoin video, this is your support to be buying. It is $9. Where's it at? $9 all the way down to $8. Looks like we really bounced off of this point of control here at about $8.40, $8.25. So yeah, it's been working out nice. There is the major POC, but it's like barely anymore, right? I would consider these all high volume nodes. $7.75 or 80 cents. We could come down, I guess, sure, but we have support there, and I'm just gonna buy that dip as well. It's a quick recovery. We're already up 5%, so I don't think it's too late to buy, and definitely check out the other video if you want more levels on this. We are above the local POC. Would make sense we at least come up and attack $10 level, you know, the volume area high of this range, which would be very nice. 10% move. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I hope y'all manage y'all's risk accordingly, and y'all have good luck with your trades, and God bless.